let's go check out this elevator now at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort. This is actually the same hotel they filmed Full House Disney episode back in the 90s. It's like 93 or something like that. There's a line for it, so we're gonna wait. But look at this. You can see it coming down. All right, let's see if we can go up the elevator. It's like a cage. This is the scene where a DJ runs down the stairs. Unit 2. I think this used to be an Otis Lexan. Oh, I didn't even notice you could see way up in the shaft. This is a really cool elevator. It's supposed to represent a birdcage elevator, I think. All right, that's it.